Hi there. Thank you very much for having me here. So I'm new to iBOL, so I don't have many things to update. So it will be brief, hopefully. So my name is Buntika Butcher. I'm an associate professor at Department of Biology, Faculty of Science, Chulalongkorn University in Bangkok, Thailand. Basically, I'm working on parasitic wasps, especially family Braconidae. But while I was doing this presentation, my office mate was just shouting, "Oh, just put my organism in as well." So I've got reptiles, amphibians, and birds in the brackets as well. Basically, what I'm working now is focus in Thailand, but I hopefully to expand it to Southeast Asia. And now I've got my friend here, Philippines, which I'm going to refer a lot with the Philippines next. So prior barcode involvement, a few years back, I have a project called BBTH on Thai parasitic wasp and caterpillar for my grad students. So here, well, we just a tiny little country in Southeast Asia, so we don't have much name species here. But basically, I think most of the name from arthropods probably come from Tiger Project, Thailand Inventory Group for Entomological Research, led by Professor Mike Sharkey back in 2006. So they probably barcode a lot of stuff, a lot of arthropods and insects. That's why we got quite a lot of number in arthropods. So for Thailand Barcode Network, okay, so well, we not really established anything yet, but hopefully we're going to have start from Thai Barcoding was what I work on, and the lead institute probably, of course, my university, and we are on process of signing MOU, still on process. It will take a lot of time, but hopefully the president of the university will eventually sign the paper. And institution involved, so I've got a lot of colleagues in Mahidol and Kasetsart University. They are all in Bangkok. At the moment, current funding for myself from Thailand Research Fund and also Center of Excellence in Biodiversity. So what I hope that I would get network with my other colleagues, a friend in other university around Thailand and probably neighboring countries. So for the project, well, I'm just going to tell you about what I've done so far on my project, BBTH. Okay, at the moment, I'm working with Professor Donald Quick. So I believe that most of you guys know Donald. So, okay, and now I've got collecting permit in 6 national parks in Thailand. I took a lot of effort to get the permit. So to collect things in national parks in Thailand, not easy, you know. You need a lot of documents and need a lot of signatures and take a lot of time, probably like at least like 3 to 6 months, depending on who you are, who you meet and stuff like that. So we are ongoing doing research now on Thailand Research Fund, target group, of course, parasitic wasp and caterpillar. So I've got a lot of a few grad students work on to study the relationship between caterpillar and their hosts. So we hope that we could build up the library of the Braconid wasp and caterpillar, and also we can use this database to build up molecular food web in Thailand. So this is like 6 national park that I've got permission on, and so there's 3 in the north and 3 in the central part of Thailand. I'm not gonna bother you with the name of this, so because I'm sure that you're not gonna, you know, remember them anyway. So here, this is at the North Doi Phuka National Park. Here is my grad student. So what we're collecting is now he's trying to collect the caterpillar, but of course that thing on the beading sheet is not caterpillar, it's lizard. So we just show you guys that, okay, this is freshly made beading sheet, okay? And here, everyone, like most of you guys seem to have mallet trap. We've got mallet trap as well. So my students said, yeah, we set up the mallet trap, and you won't believe it, like, this national park is one of the primary forests in Thailand, and I'm so lucky that I've got this national park, and the head of the national park, they're very close to Chulalongkorn University because we got campus up north as well, so they are very helpful. So every week, someone will come and change the collecting bottle for us, because this national park is about 700 km from Bangkok. So definitely we can't travel there oftenly. My student will go every 2 months, but I hope that the specimen won't be destroyed. And we also collect by using light trap as well, okay? So this is a group of people, they are my students, and this guy is the staff in Doi Phuket National Park. So the trap here for this month is not so impressive because there's a lot of training, but still there's got a lot of insect there, and we pick out parasitoid from there and try to collect moth from there as well. Okay, so SWOT analysis, strength. Well, I don't really know what strength do we have though, but we've got mega diverse organism and really understudied. So whenever we found something, like at least 50% would be new to science. For weakness, as I said before, it takes so much time to process things in Thailand, especially when the foreigner wants to come to work with us. So the process time will be twice, on top of the normal time to process. But it can be done, but it just take a lot of time. Okay, threats is diplomatic, and the list of the threats is exactly the same as the Philippines. So I'm not going to say anything anymore. We need more grad students and stuff like that. You remember what the Philippines said, right? For Thailand, exactly the same. And for opportunity, same as the Philippines. So thank you.